I think Dr. Host's greatest strength is that she stays so much in touch. She is constantly reading articles, going to seminars. Due to that, she's always has a ready answer for a question that I come up with or that I'm concerned about. For me, direct primary care is beneficial in that, in this particular instance with Dr. Host, offering the auxiliary services like acupuncture and massages and things like that has really been beneficial to my health, and I couldn't get that from another doctor. I would have to go to an additional doctor or two besides my primary care physician under the older format. With her, I get all those services from one doctor who knows my whole medical history. So there's really very little comparison. I just come in and I can really get everything taken care of in one office. The way I would explain it is that it's just all-encompassing. You pay a flat fee every month for whatever you need, or as much or as less of her services as you need. There's not any hassle with insurance or anything like that. And I can really contact her or speak with her, do email, get in to see her readily as many times a month as I need to. So that's particularly helpful during, flu season and that type of thing. So you don't have to wait. It's still all same-day appointment, which I really appreciate. In my mind, DPC is kind of the wave of the future because I think it frees up the doctor from doing all kinds of extra paperwork and hassling with Medicare and other insurance companies. It gives them more time to see patients. They're not as pressed for time, and I know some doctors have 10 minutes per patient and that's it, and they have to move on. This is really nice because it's very relaxed, and I never feel pressured for time with Dr. Host. She gives freely as much time as I need, and I tend to be a question asker, and she's always very, very patient with me on that. With DPC, the way Dr. Host has it set up is that she can order all your generic medications for you. And you just let her know a couple weeks ahead when you're running out, and she'll order them all. It's at her cost, so you're getting them at the best rate. There are a couple name brand prescriptions I have at another grocery store pharmacy, and it keeps me from going into the donut hole. The donut hole is what they call stage 3 in a prescription plan, when the plan pays very little and you pay a lot more until you get into a catastrophic level. But that donut hole is, for me, pushed off later in the year because I haven't had other prescriptions filled there. They're all filled here. So it's a cost savings to me to have her do that. The staff here is great. They're always very accommodating, very friendly. They call you up if there's a change in anything or an appointment time or anything. They've just been super. I would recommend Dr. Host to any of my family or friends or neighbors or anyone. She's just on top of all the scientific, the latest medical information. She's a great diagnostician. She's very easy to talk to. I've never felt rushed in any way. She answers all the questions very thoroughly. She has a great sense of humor. It's just all in all, a much different experience and much more pleasant experience getting medical care than I've had in the past.